this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact AliExpress customer service. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, open any browser that you prefer using and head to this site. So m.aliexpress.com/help center /go capital T O capital LIVE capital CHAT, just like that. And you're going to be on this page. Unfortunately, it didn't find my page, so you can also simply go ahead and search for AliExpress contact, just like that. And you're going to be on this page. Click on AliExpress Help Center and now click on online service down here. And as you can see, you can simply go ahead and have a chat with them. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.